So the mobility on the new system is just better than any of the older systems due to the longer flippers. They make it so you can get over higher obstacles. They also make stairs much easier. You can get over bigger rocks, logs, any high terrain. You can get your cameras higher to see over tall grass. You can also sync and unsync the flippers, which makes it so you can do slightly more complex obstacles.
So we noticed in older systems, the manipulator tended to be one item of particular concern, notice common failures. And once the manipulator goes down, that eliminates your ability to use the robot, which meant you had to send it back for repair, a long wait time. The newer systems we see increased reliability, but in the event that the manipulator does fail, it's field replaceable, so you can get your system up and running very quickly.
So the situational awareness on the new system is head and shoulders above any of the old systems. At any given time, you can look up to the 8 cameras on the system, so I can see in front, behind, and both sides of me without having to move my robot around. That way I don't risk bumping into any sort of obstacles, UXOs, IEDs out there.
In the past, our systems, we always used, the controls were big and bulky. It required a lot of space to travel with. You're not going to put it in a backpack, you're not going to put it, you have to carry it in the trunk. It's basically a briefcase. With the new controller, it's nice because having the battery pack and the communications, as well as using the same power source as the robot, you can just throw it in your backpack.
And there's no cables, so I don't have to worry about, like when I'm crawling through a tunnel or anything like that, I don't have to worry about it like getting snagged or breaking the cables.
So they told us the old system was going to be light. Well, it simply wasn't. It was heavy and clunky, and once you got all the components, it was too much to carry. The new system is actually light and tactical, and you're able to carry it, and it's less than 30 pounds with the entire platform, everything you need.
So using the breadcrumb radios with the new system, we're able to set up networks underground very easily, which helps in subterranean environments. And using top layer 3D mapping, we're able to put an additional payload on another system. This way it can scan the environment 360 degrees around, creating a map of the environment within a few centimeters of accuracy.
But on top of that, we receive 5 years guaranteed coverage on all systems. So when we do reach out to them, we get a very responsive former EOD tech, which for me is priceless to be able to speak to someone who understands my mission, who knows what we're facing, and can instantly respond to my request to get service on the robot.
100% of our employees at RoboTeam are military veterans. Vast majority of them are EOD veterans. We have the ability to match and meld the brilliant engineers that we have within RoboTeam with the actual reality of the battlefield and UGVs. We provide a more technologically advanced system, less expensive than prior systems, with life cycle sustainability costs that are dramatically lower.